Hi guys, Cool Rich back with another video. It's kind of windy, y'all. But today the video y'all see, I'm gonna be doing night POV. You know what I'm saying? So this is the Scatpack charger. It does have a stock exhaust. Y'all can hear that. Let me hop in this bad boy. And I am gonna be on track mode. Right there. So yeah, be right back. Alright guys, it's the night POV. I'm back. So I'm on track mode. I don't know if you guys can see that. And so I don't know if it's just me, but the Scatpack feels like it has a whine when you float the gas all the way down. Maybe just me. Look at this fucking truck trying to cut up in front of me. Oh man. How do I pass this, guys? Sheesh. You know what I'm saying, bro? I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This shit be low-key scary. Let me hop off the highway. There's usually a cop right there and stuff. So don't want to be caught up, man. I'm not trying to go to jail tonight. But let me get shiesty on this little corner real quick. I'm gonna see. Traction is turned off right now. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's better. Guys, y'all let me know down below if I should straight pipe this 392. I know my last 392 that I owned, the Scatpack, I did have it mid muffler delete. And it was really annoying. I'm not gonna lie to you, it was annoying. It didn't sound as good, as deep as what this sounds like. You know, so should I just go spend $7,000 on the exhaust system? Cause I do have a homie of mine who he owned a 392 with the Corsa exhaust, and that just sounded amazing. You know what I mean? Actually using the paddle shifters. Oof. So let me hit the gas station real quick. Y'all see the range right there? This thing is definitely scary, man. For the power that it has, the 392 is fair, you know? It's fair, y'all. And I know a lot of people in the comments are probably gonna say, damn, this pistol shit, this snack pack, this and this. But what, I've never felt so good driving a car because this car, it's a Charger, right? I got all the space in the world. You know what I mean? Got all the space in the world, man, in this car. So I'm gonna go ahead, go to the gas station, and I'm gonna show you guys how much it actually costs to fill up this car. Because if you are trying to get this type of car, the Hellcat and Scatpack, they really are kind of the same car, gas mileage wise. Although I do be seeing Hellcats, they're a little bit better than Scatpacks. It just depends. But let me pull into this gas station. So you guys that live in other states, I'm sorry. Y'all should be jealous. look at that gas price though. You know what I mean? Look at that gas price, man. I got everybody looking at me and stuff. You know what I'm saying? I'll be back with y'all, man.